When I started a business few years back, at that time I was having just one objective, that is to get freedom. So that I can be the decision maker of my life. At that time I was not having any financial goal. Okay, I want to make this much of money, I want to do this and that. No, it's just I want to be the decision maker of my life. That's it. And like on social media, when I used to see the people, no one shows you the reality. Everyone just shows you the glamorous life, how it looks like to be a business owner. You can travel anywhere, you can work from anywhere, and you can dress up good, all parties and everything. But no one tells you like what actually it takes you to build a business. I mean, behind the scene is something no one is showing you. And I was also the one who was not aware about all of this. I was like, okay, I wanted to have a freedom, let's get started with a business. But while doing a business, I have realized there's a lot I need to evolve as a person. So here are the 7 real experiences I'm about to share with you that I have learned through my journey while building a business. Number 1, emotional strength is everything. When I got started with my business, I used to think like when it comes to a business, you just need to be logical. So every decision was taken by the same state. But there would be a lot of time where you need to be emotionally very strong. When you would be facing the rejection, when there would be a conflict among your team, when it comes to dealing with your clients. So you have to remain very calm while dealing with these kind of situations. So you need to be aware about your emotions, how you need to control your emotion, how you have to convey the messages, how you need to remain calm while making the decision. So emotional intelligence is very important while running a business. And this is something no one teaches us. This is what we learn through our experience. There would be a lot of times when your business strategy won't be saving your business, but your emotional stability will. Sooner you will accept this reality, the better it will become for you as a leader. Number 2, leadership is a lonely journey. When I got started with a business, there were a lot of people around me, my partner, my team. But as our business grows, one thing I have realized, there are a lot of things that I can't share with anyone, like not our team member, not even with my partner. When it comes to hiring people, when it comes to firing people, when it comes to making the decision what actually we want to go for, the goals making, of course, I can take the opinions from them, but at the end, I am the person who is a decision maker towards the same. And somehow, this is something that holds a heavy responsibility on your head. Because now it's no more about you. It's more of about the people working with you. There would be a lot of times when there would be a hard phase of your company, but you have to show up. You have to come up with a confident face in front of your team. And those are the emotions that you would be holding individually as a person. Number 3, your team is not a family. I might be sounding you harsh, but that's the reality. They are not your family. You all are players playing the same game to achieve one goal. Just rewind your childhood memory. How a family treats you. They doubt you, they protect you, they hold you back, they want you to play safe. But when it comes to a team pushes you. A team trusts on you. They expect you to perform. They challenge you. So that's how team work. Think about a football game. The players who are on the field, they are not there to make each other comfortable. They are there to push each other, trust each other, support each other, take the risk and just win the game. So that's how business work. Number 4, team building is a skill. Hiring sounds very exciting, right? But until you start managing the people. See, when you start delegating the work, now it's no more about the work. Now you have to manage the people as well. You have to understand them as well. So it became very difficult as a leader to understand where we need to be soft, where we need to be hard. Because now we have to create the structure to make the work done. Also, we have to emotionally understand each and every person as well. So this is the balance we need to maintain so that we can get the work done as well. Plus, the people who are working with us, they can also work happily. And balancing both is not easy. This is where most founders fail. And once you have understood the right balance between these two, that's what real leadership looks like. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Number 5, your mindset matters. Not every day will look productive. There would be some days when you won't be seeing any result. And that's okay. This is how business works. There is always a snowball effect in business. Nothing happens in a day. It takes time. So now I just try to focus on one thing, what actually I want to focus today. There are these 3 things that I'll be just focusing on. And this consistency is something that will going to give you the results that you're looking for. So I just need to focus on my daily task. That's it. Number 6, and one of the most important, how you dress up matters. See, it's not about spending a lot of money on expensive clothes. No, it's just about how you present yourself when you meet someone. And this is what reflects how serious you take yourself and your work. And this matters if you really want to work with a high ticket clients. So they observe all of that, how you think about yourself. Earlier, I also didn't used to pay attention when it comes to my dressing sense or how I'm presenting myself. But on some days when I used to dress up, I felt more confident and I was able to close more deals as well. From that time onwards, I have started taking this thing as a routine. I not only dress up on days when I'm having a very important call or when I have to shoot a content, no. When I'm not having anything, then also I dress up while working from home as well. This is a very small habit that you need to change, but let me tell you, this is something that will start attracting a lot of money for you. Number 7, discipline matters more than motivation. See, motivation is something that will come and go, but discipline is something because of which you would be able to reach to the goal that you're looking for. Earlier, I used to wait for a time when I would feel ready, and that never came. So I've just removed that part, and instead of that, I have started focusing what I'm doing on a daily basis, because of which we are able to increase the revenue of our company. Whatever and however I feel, the aim is just one thing, that is to show up daily. Whether I feel good, whether I feel motivated or not, just show up, because at the end, consistency is something that will going to give you the result. So yes, building a business will going to give you the freedom, flexibility and money as well. But most importantly, the person that you will become in this journey matters a lot. And this journey will going to test you a lot as a person in terms of your mindset, your patience level, how you treat others, your decision-making power, how you build relationship with your clients. And honestly, this is the part no one prepares you for. So if you're on this journey, you would got the clarity that this is normal and you're evolving as a person, and that's good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.